Hey guys, Justin from Oracle Lighting here. Today we're going to show you how to install the new 7-inch LED headlight adapter brackets from Oracle Lighting on the Jeep Wrangler JL. It's a really simple process and it's going to open you up to a whole lot more headlight options when it comes to LED headlights for the Jeep Wrangler JL. So let's go ahead and take a look at how it's done. To begin, we're going to open the hood and using a flathead screwdriver, remove the 6 plastic retainers that attach the grille to the vehicle. With these 6 plastic retainers now removed, simply pull the grille to pop it off the horizontal clips. Now, remove the 3 10mm screws that attach the headlight to the vehicle. Remove the headlight and disconnect the plug. Insert the new headlight bracket and reuse the factory hardware to attach it to the vehicle. Connect the plug-and-play headlight adapter to the factory wiring harness and plug the headlight adapter into the headlight. Now install the headlight into the bracket. Place the bezel around the headlight and install the remainder of the hardware. Repeat the process on the passenger side of the vehicle. Before reinstalling the grille, now's a great time to adjust the headlight beam level. Begin by measuring the height of the center of the LED headlight from the ground. This vehicle has a small lift and 35-inch tires, so it's about 44 inches that we're marking here. From 15 feet away, the vehicle's headlights should project below the line marked on the wall here. Be sure that you're on a level surface when testing. As you can see, the passenger side light is slightly too high. In order to adjust that, we're going to counterclockwise turn the screw at the top of the headlight. As you can see, that's going to bring down the beam level with the other light. With the headlights now adjusted, we can reinstall the grille. With the new LED headlights now installed in the vehicle, we can just test everything one last time and we're good to go. For more information or to find a dealer near you, call Oracle Lighting at 1-800-407-5776 or visit us online at www.oraclelights.com.